Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis, rule-based price action trading. My daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectation, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. Here we are, Monday, October 16th, ES Daily, 24-hour chart on the left. Let's look at the red arrow at the top. I have a swing high. Each side of that swing high is a lower high. So on the bottom red arrow of that ES, that was the low of Friday. So what I've got on that moving average is an ES 18 EMA and the blue 9 EMA, and what I'm looking for is a possibility of a run down to the low of Friday. Doesn't have to happen today, but I'm looking for at least a 43.50, if not a 43.52 minimum low sometime in the RTH. On the right, it's all about the dollar. The dollar basically has a yellow rectangle fair value gap below, which got fully formed on last Friday's low. And what I want to see is if the dollar wants to go back into that red line inside that yellow rectangle, but not below it. So if it doesn't go below it or on a closing basis for Monday, then I'm very bullish on the dollar. And I think we're got higher prices ahead of us, especially later in the week. So let's get into the lower time frame ES charts. Next chart, ES 1 hour. This is just after Europe Globex silver bullet, and it's a 1 hour ES chart. So what I'm looking at here is several things here. First of all, London's way up here at 43.7175 on this blue line. Below it, we've got New York Midnight Open at 43.6675. It doesn't look like we're going to go a lot higher, but if we do, I'd be looking at the close of 1012 RTH at 43.80 as a zone that I don't want to see price go above, just below the consequent encroachment of a 1 hour fair value gap at 43.82. That's my line in the sand here for risk management. I do have a short bias. What I'm looking at is a daily fair value gap high at 43.6625 on this blue line here, with the fair value gap low of 43.5850, and below that I've got a new week open high for Monday at 43.5675, and the low is 43.51. So I do anticipate price revisiting that. Good potential. This is a rectangle here with the consequent encroachment on this yellow at 43.5475. So my sweet spot's going to be 43.55 for the RTH if we go lower. And we've got a lot of new week open gaps below the October 16th. We've got the October 2nd, the October 9th, so on and so on. And it's a Monday. And of course, we've got global events that are happening that could at any moment totally be a catalyst for giant price action movement. So those are the levels I'm watching. I'm just going to focus on, it's a bit consolidated. Let's see what we've got in the RTH. I'm just sticking with this one chart here, but I'm going to go down to 15-minute and 5-minute when I see some of these ranges violated. So again, that fair value gap low on the daily blue line here is the first level down, 43.5850, that I'm using as my marker. That's it. Thanks again for stopping by. Please support the channel with your subscription. Aloha. Bye.